Hi, in this episode, we'll look at the deserialization attack, where we will just simply use the serialization and the deserialization of this singleton class object. In order for that object to be serialized, its class need to implement the serializable interface. So here we have a sample code where I'm just trying to get the instance of the singleton class s1 and s2, and if I print their hash code, it's supposed to be same. And then I'm trying to launch the deserialize attack, where it is pretty straightforward. I'm trying to write the s1 in the text file using the output stream, which then uses the file output stream, and it's write all the content in s1.txt file, and then we again try to read it through file input stream and object input stream, and all the content in this file would be read as uh, a Java object, and we'll place it into S5, and then we'll print the hash code of S5, and we are expecting there will be a new object created by this. So let's run our code. Yeah, we can see here we have s1 and s2 both are same, but s5 is different. Why? Because it was created by the technique that is called deserialization, where we just deserialize here in this line. So how can we prevent our singleton against the deserialization attack? It's just a technique that I show you how to create an object or how to breach the singleton. How we can stop this? It's really very simple. We will go here, and whenever the content of the stream is deserialized into Java object, it just send a call to read resolve. So in the read resolve, we will just call our same function, which is basically get instance, and that's it. Whenever deserialize will be called, it will transfer the call to the get instance, and get instance already have a reference to our instance object. Yeah, that's pretty straightforward. Let's try to run it again, and here we can see both s1, s2 and s5 all are same. s1 and s2 were retrieved through the get instance. Here we can see the code here, s1 and s2 both retrieved, and then s5 was retrieved to deserialize attack, which was basically the copy of the s1. When it tried to put it into the object, it create a new one, and this time we can see here all the three objects are same because we implemented a read resolve method. And that's the solution, and that's the protection against the deserialization for our singleton class. That's all about this episode. Let's meet in the next one to understand the singleton in more detail. Thank you. Take care. Bye.